Welcome back. I want to give a quick update on the status of Astro with his screen that was creaking. I called Amazon. They talked to engineering. Engineering wants this robot back. They're going to send me a replacement. That will get here on the 14th, and this one will get shipped out on the 16th. They are very accommodating. They have UPS come to my house, pick it up. All I got to do is print out a shipping label. Very easy to deal with. So we're going to get these switched out. But until this one goes, which will be in about another week, 2 weeks, I'm going to continue to do some videos. We found out some more neat things that it'll do, but very happy with Amazon service on this. They were very understanding and really wanted to remedy this as quickly as possible. So like, share, subscribe if you would, and we're going to continue to make a couple more videos on him, and then as we get the new one, see if there's any difference between them. It shouldn't be, but we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.